So the topic for this video is Frank Lampard. So who is Frank Lampard? Football fans know who is Frank Lampard. Frank Lampard is a footballer, Chelsea legend, won so many trophies with Chelsea, but this time I'm going to talk about his time at Manchester City. So what this video is all about, is actually about Frank Lampard time at Manchester City. Frank Lampard used to play for Manchester City after his time at Chelsea for years. Then went to City during 2014 season for a season only. Played for a season, then he went to the York City FC, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm going to talk about this jersey and Frank Lampard time during his days or season at Manchester City. So Frank Lampard played for Manchester City for a season, played about 38 games in all competitions, scored about 8 goals in all competitions, and his first goal for City is actually against his former club, Chelsea. So basically, Chelsea were leading on that game, playing at Etihad Stadium, which is City home stadium, Etihad. And then I'm not sure what minute this is, 80 minutes or 72 minutes, between 70 to 80 minutes, Frank Lampard scored the equalizer to make it 1-1, but he did not celebrate because he wants to respect his old team. So many doesn't recognize his time at City because it was only a season, but little do you know, his time at City is actually kinda underrated because, like I say, many doesn't really recognize time there because it's only for a season, but he played quite a good matches, quite a good minutes there, 38 games, and most of the time he came in as a substitute, and he scored 8 goals during that season in all competition for City, and also a season before that he scored 8 goals so at Chelsea. So it's actually, as a midfielder, scoring 8 goals a season is actually really good. But yeah, maybe he's old that time or anything, I don't know, maybe he come as substitutes, but it's actually a very crazy stats actually. So talking about this jersey is 2014-2015 season. The season before that, City was a champion, so we can see this old Barclays Premier League badge here and also here. This why it is in gold, because City was the champion last season. And this material is actually, of this, I thought this material was kind of like, you know, the heat press thing, but it's not. It's just more like a satin kind of look. It feels very soft actually. And also here, soft. And then behind here is a Lampard name set, EPL Lampard name set, Nike, old City logo or emblem. Now City logo is only the crest, the eagle behind is no more, only this crest only, but in round shape, in circle shape, sorry, can't see. And then there's a City name behind it, and also inside the jersey there's a We Are City. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so this jersey is not really that special, but the reason why I bought this because of the name set behind this one. It's kind of what we call, it's kind of rare to see Lampard name set in other jersey except than Chelsea. You know that, like, his footballing career was always known his time at Chelsea, and that's it. So yeah, this is kind of what we call a very unusual scene to see his name at City shirts or City kits. So yeah, that is all I want to talk about today's video. We'll put this on body and show you how it looks, and then we'll do some close-up things and all. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you soon. and stay tuned for next video. Adios. So yeah, this is how it look on body. Size S actually. It's kinda not fit because it's a what we call a replica issue, or replicas or stadium jersey. It's for fans, not for a player to wear. So yeah, this is how it looks. Front button on the back. And yeah, as I say, stay tuned and for more stay tuned for more video, and yeah, see you guys again, and thank you very much for watching.